I'm here at the BAFTA Cymru Awards in Cardiff at the Wales Millennium Centre, where the stars are beginning to arrive on the red carpet for one of the biggest nights in Welsh film and TV. This was the 23rd BAFTA Cymru ceremony, awarding excellence in broadcasting in Wales, with Catherine Jenkins opening the evening with her performance of Sanctus. The red carpet welcomed stars of successful shows such as Sherlock, Doctor Who and Da Vinci's Demons, not to mention the host of talent working on homegrown shows such as Hinterland and Gwaith Cartref. There was praise from everyone for Cardiff and Wales as a great place to be working in for film and TV.
It's so exciting. It's nice to be in Wales because we shoot it here, and we've just been around the world. We've been to New York Comic Con and we've seen the kind of crazy success of how it's received. You know, people flew in from Hong Kong and Japan and Australia just to meet us in New York. So to come back to where we do it all is great. It's a pleasure.
Amazing. So you must be pretty proud. Da Vinci's Demons nominated. Is this your first BAFTAs that you've been to?
No, I presented here a couple of years ago, actually. So I've been to the Welsh BAFTAs and I've been to the creative ones. But it's great to be here with a show that's nominated in so many categories, yeah.
And everything looks fantastic, doesn't it? Wales is coming up short.
Oh my God, the Millennium Centre's amazing. I love it.
Well, this is my second nomination. I was here 20 years ago when these awards were in their infancy, won then. So it's been a good 20 years, but in the meantime, I've been 15 years on Pobl y Cwm, so possibly, you know, you can't award the same thing for the same character, of course. But lovely, this is so flattering, it's lovely.
And also having the anniversary just gone as well, it must feel great to be part of such a successful show.
Indeed, yes, it was great to be part of that. But thanks to the viewers, really. If it wasn't for the viewers, the Pobl y Cwm would not be celebrating 40 years, you know, and our debt is great to them. So.
And what a great time to be involved in art in Wales. I mean, it's kind of, you know, for many people perhaps they may think of these as being regional awards, but you've got programmes here that are now shown and loved all over the world. So these awards now then take on a different kind of importance, as it should be.
I think it's really important. For the first time it's being broadcast to people at home, which I think is lovely to bring them into our world as well and let them know how hard people work, just not on screen, the talent they say, but also the people behind screen. We've got a really wide field of talent here in Wales, and it's lovely to have such a glitzy night to celebrate.
I've been here for a year now with my husband and the children, and we absolutely love it here. So yes, my son proudly sings the Welsh national anthem and now wants to play rugby for Wales.
Oh, fantastic.
So I'm very proud of him too. But I love it here, and it's, you know, tonight I've realised there's such an abundance of talent here, so I'm really proud to be here.
One of our stars more close to home for us Cardiffians also came to show his support for the capital city.
I'm more than proud of Cardiff. I mean, I've been here 22 years and it has come on leaps and bounds. I mean, it's the #1 in the UK. What a society we have here, the happiest, and 85% of all students who come here never leave.
Tonight's awards have not only celebrated talent that's been in the industry for years, but new emerging talent, which will definitely be nurtured here in Wales. What better place to celebrate that than right here in our capital at the Wales Millennium Centre?